La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la.
The king of romance and an actor par excellence. He was a teenage boy who entered Bollywood at the time when superstars did action films, but he continued to be a star in his own right and his own way. He romanced pretty young ladies in the most exotic locations and danced to the tune of popular numbers. The evergreen legend ruled the silver screen with his charisma for nearly 3 decades and continues to enthrall audiences with his character roles.
मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली.
Born to the Kapoor family, Rishi Kapoor, commonly addressed as Chintu, is the second son of veteran actor and director Raj Kapoor. Rishi Kapoor's association with Bollywood started at the age of 3 when he did a guest appearance in Raj Kapoor's Shri 420. He made a grand entry to Bollywood in his teenage with his debut film Mera Naam Joker, which won him a national award in the Child Artist category. He grabbed Filmfare Best Actor award for his film Bobby. Ironically, Bobby was a female-oriented movie which was made by Raj Kapoor to overcome the financial losses of Mera Naam Joker. But it turned out to be one of the biggest hits that not only cleared his debts but also gave birth to a budding star who ruled the industry for nearly 3 decades.
मेरी उम्र के नौजवानों दिल न लगाना ओ दीवानों मैंने प्यार करके चैन खोया नींद खोई.
Rishi Kapoor surpassed the high expectations of the audiences with his exemplary performances. He became the most saleable star after Amitabh Bachchan. Filmmakers wanted to cash in on his chocolate boy image and wrote roles especially for him. His blockbusters include Laila Majnu, Sargam, Qarz, Prem Rog, and many more. He did 41 multi-starrer films where he usually played a younger brother to lead heroes. Apparently, new faces were always introduced with him, as there weren't many heroines of his age in that era. He became a heartthrob of female fans with his dance moves and style. Neetu Singh and Rishi Kapoor's popular pairing got them 12 movies together, amongst which Rafu Chakkar was a super hit. Their real-life love matured to real-life marriage in 1980. The duo became proud parents of actor Ranbir Kapoor and designer Ridhima. In the late 80s and early 90s, he was paired with younger actresses like Sridevi, Meenakshi and Juhi Chawla. His slightly overweight physique never made him miss an opportunity to play the lead. Such was his popularity. Rishi Kapoor did a comeback after late 90s with supporting roles. He also directed the film Aa Ab Laut Chale, which did not do well at the box office. He took up films like Chintu Ji, multi-starrer Houseful 2. He also chose to play the character of a gay principal for Karan Johar's Student of the Year. With these films, he did attempt to break the mold of his stereotyped image, but did not succeed entirely. With Do Duni Char, Rishi Kapoor bounced back and bewildered his audience as he essayed the role of a simple and honest middle-class man opposite his wife Neetu Singh, who did a comeback on screen after 2 decades. Agnipat's Rauf Lala floored the masses and critiques alike. He essayed a negative role in the movie with a completely new look, for which he bagged awards and created a niche for himself. The most awaited trio of Rishi Kapoor, Neetu Singh and Ranbir Kapoor was seen in the Bollywood masala flick Besharam. Rishi Kapoor continues to accept challenging roles and sets a benchmark for his contemporaries. He was and will always remain the charming merchant of romance in the history of Indian cinema.